Hi, this is Emily. We are at the EIBOARD stand. This is our company, and we are here with our new product, LED Recordable Smart Blackboard. Now I'll show you some features here. First, we can write on the subboard. And you can see the contents can be displayed on the panel. This is the first recordable mode, and the second mode, we can lock the screen and play a video here or right here and use the board separately, independently. After that, we can also save the contents like this. So there are two recordable modes to make our class more efficient. Yeah, if you want to know more, you could search our website, www.ei-whiteboard.com.